In this video, we're gonna install serverless on our machine. I have to install serverless globally on my machine. I'm using Mac, so I need to add the sudo keyword. If you're using Windows, you don't need to add the sudo keyword. I need to install serverless. I have already installed serverless on my machine. I don't need to install it again. Let me show you my serverless version. I can use this command to get the serverless version. I'm currently using 1.33.1. Now, how do you create the serverless project? First of all, I'm going to create a new directory, SLS demo. I'm going to navigate to the SLS demo directory. If you execute this command, it will give me some couple of the commands. Now you can access these commands: serverless create, serverless deploy, serverless deploy function, serverless invoke local, invoke a function locally. So I'm interested in create command. It will create a new serverless service. So basically I'm going to create a new serverless service. There is a shortcut which is SLS. You can use serverless or you can use simple SLS. SLS create. If I will write this help command, it will give me a couple of the commands. Awesome. We have to specify our template for the AWS service. Basically, what service you want to use. Do you want to use AWS Java, AWS Node.js, Google Node.js? All these services are available. So I'm interested in AWS Node.js. You can also specify the path where the service should be created. I have already navigated to my folder. There is nothing here. So I'm going to create a service inside the root folder. SLS create. Let me provide the template, or you can use the -t. The name of the template, AWS Node.js. Awesome. A boilerplate project has generated. Let me open the code in my code editor. Let's review our files. We have 3 files: handler.js. Here we will write our AWS Lambda code. This is our Lambda function. We have configuration file, which is serverless.yaml file. You can write the name of your service. Let's say I'm going to use SLS API. You can choose any name, and each service is a combination of multiple Lambda functions. You can choose your provider. You can also specify your region here. Copy this region. You can find the AWS regions here. Say let me show you AWS region. You can find your closest region. It depends on your location. So I'm going to use the Asia, this one, AP South-1. Let me use this one. So I'm going to replace that. This is our Node.js version, and the name of the provider, AWS. So here is a configuration of our Lambda function. We have hello object. Here we need to provide the path of our Lambda function. The handler function is located inside the handler.js file. and the name of our AWS Lambda function is hello. You can see that. There are two ways to invoke the Lambda function. Let me show you. The first one is you can deploy the function. Basically, you can deploy the AWS server by using this command, and then you can invoke the function. I'll show you deployment part in the later modules. Now I'm gonna work on the local part. So I have a command invoke. Let me show you. It will give me some of the commands. Now I can invoke the function locally. If you have deployed this serverless project, you can use this command invoke. Let's run the project. Basically, I need to execute my function, which is our hello. SLS invoke local, and I want to execute the hello function because we have specified the name of our Lambda function, which is hello, and it is going to execute this function, and you will see the response here. You can update the response whatever you want. Welcome to serverless. Awesome, you will see the message, welcome to serverless. In the next video, I'll talk about the YAML file. If you don't know what this syntax is and how to create a YAML file, how to create object in YAML file, how to create arrays in YAML file, I'll talk more about YAML file in the next video.